Hello friends. Welcome to the CRACK CLAT tutorials, to the point current affairs series for CLAT and other law entrance exams.
Argentina's Congress legalized abortions up to the 14th week of pregnancy this week, in what was a groundbreaking decision in a country that has some of the world's most restrictive abortion laws.
Under the new law, Argentina has legalized abortion up to the 14th week of pregnancy. This change is historic and its implications may be witnessed beyond Argentina, in Latin America at large. Prior to the passing of the bill, abortions were only permitted in cases of rape or when the woman's health was at serious risk. Activists have been campaigning for years, calling for an overturning of this law that has been in existence since 1921. The bill calls for greater autonomy for women over their own bodies and control of their reproductive rights, and also provides better health care for pregnant women and young mothers. The passage of this law will have huge impact in other Latin American countries. Currently, abortions are illegal in El Salvador, Nicaragua, and Dominican Republic. In India, abortion is legal till 24th week of pregnancy according to Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2020. Earlier it was 20 weeks.
Start your CLAT preparation with CRACK CLAT tutorials, exclusive interactive online classes for CLAT 2021. Register now at www.crackclat.com.